zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. So the polynomial given to us is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Let's first try to find the zeros of this polynomial. 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So how do you find zeros of the polynomial? We first split the middle term. Let's see how to split the middle term. First find the product. The product is nothing but coefficient of s square term and the constant term are multiplied. So the coefficient of s square term is 4 and the constant term is 1. So it's 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. And next the sum is nothing but coefficient of s term. The coefficient of s term is minus 4. So we got the sum in the product. The product is nothing but coefficient of s square term and the constant term, that is 4 into 1, that is 4. And the sum is nothing but coefficient of s term, that is minus 4. Now we have to find a pair such that the product is 4 and the sum is minus 4. For this, it's easier if we first write the factors of 4. The factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. So the possible cases where we get the product as 4 is it's either 1 into 4 or minus 1 into minus 4. In both the cases you get product as 4. Or 2 into 2 is also 4 and minus 2 into minus 2 is also 4. But for which of the cases we get sum as minus 4 is our required thing. So the only possible case is minus 2 and minus 2 where the product is 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4 and the sum is minus 4. Minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. Now we have split the middle term. Let's write it here. 4s square minus 4, we split it as minus 2 and minus 2. So minus 4s is minus 2s minus 2s. Let's simplify. 2s I'll take it as common. 2s into 2s will remain minus 1. Let me take minus 1 as common. 2s minus 1. So now 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1. So either 2s minus 1 should be equal to 0 or the 2s minus 1 equal to 0. Both are same. But let me write it as two different cases. 2s minus 1 equal to 0 and 2s minus 1 equal to 0. So 2s minus 1 equal to 0 means 2s equal to 1 or s is equal to 1 by 2. Here also 2s equal to 1 or s is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore we got both the zeros of the polynomial, that is half and half. Therefore zeros of the polynomial 4s square minus 4s plus 1 are half and half. So we have found the zeros of the polynomial. Now let's look at the second part of the problem, that is verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Now you know the concept. In ax square plus bx plus c, the sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is given by minus b by a. That is a, b, c are coefficients of x square, x and constant term. And product of the zeros is given by c by a. So these are the formulas which you must remember. Now let's first write down what is a, b and c for our given polynomial. A is the coefficient of s square term, that is 4. B is coefficient of s term, that is minus 4. And c is the constant term, that is 1. Now let's verify the sum of the roots. Our roots are half and half. Sum of the roots is minus b by a. So our b is minus 4, a is 4. So minus b by a will be minus of minus 4 by 4. So half plus half is 1. And this 4 ones are 4 ones are. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So 1 is equal to 1. So it's true. LHS is equal to RHS. So we have verified the sum of the roots. Now let's verify the product of the roots. Our roots are half into half. So product of the roots is given by c by a. Our c is 1, a is 4. So c by a is 1 by 4. So half into half is 1 by 4. And that is equal to 1 by 4. Again, LHS is equal to RHS. So we have also verified the relationship between zeros and coefficients for both sum of the roots and product of the roots. So that's it. We have found the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and we have also verified the relationship between them. So this is how you solve this problem. If you still have any doubts, please let me know. Thank you.